Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tell you about the amazing road construction machines you must see. And the first car to look out for is the Mulog Eco 1200. Tackling the upkeep of America's sprawling 7 million kilometers of roads is no small feat, but there's a groundbreaking roadside mower that's revolutionizing the game, ensuring it's both easy and eco-friendly. This innovative mower is all about harmony with nature. It boasts a blade that won't trim grass any shorter than 4 inches, and it gently relocates insects back to the ground during operation. With a cutting width of 4 feet, it's a versatile beast that allows for cabin adjustments, letting you deftly navigate around obstacles like poles and signs. Overacen TV 1000. Let's rewind to the previous year when Istanbul Airport grappled with a severe snowfall that led to the cargo terminal's roof collapsing. It's a glaring example of the complications snow can create for airports worldwide. Fortunately, a game-changing solution has emerged: tailored snowblowers meticulously engineered for airport operations, ensuring swift and efficient snow removal. Introducing the TV 1000 snowblower, capable of swiftly clearing a whopping 15 million pounds of snow per hour, and its powerhouse counterpart, the TV 1000 Plus, with an even more impressive rate of 17 million pounds per hour. Both models have the ability to propel snow up to 115 feet, accompanied by avant-garde cabins offering operators supreme visibility and comfort, resilient even in the harshest of conditions. Epoxy Pro is the game changer in marking machines. It works with quick-drying compounds, offers precise viscosity control, video guidance, and user-friendly features like nozzle cleaning and self-calibration. Whether you're marking roads, parking lots, or industrial floors, Epoxy Pro sets a new standard for fast, precise, and efficient marking. Step into the future with Grind Pro, a groundbreaking road marking removal machine that's transforming the industry. Manufactured by MRL Equipment, North America's leading supplier of road marking removal equipment, Grind Pro boasts an array of features that set it apart. Grind Pro swiftly eliminates road markings, saving both time and money, ensuring that projects move at an accelerated pace. With Grind Pro's state-of-the-art vacuum system, you can bid farewell to dust, debris, and hazardous particles, making it an environmentally friendly and safe choice for road marking removal. Grind Pro delicately removes road markings with minimal damage to the roadbed, preserving the quality and condition of the road. Rumble Pro. The Asphalt milling machine is a stalwart with decades of reliable service. It boasts a robust 5-ton drum and a 16-inch working width handling tough tasks. With features like Epic Solution Sync and rear-view cameras, one person can operate it efficiently. Based on the Peterbilt Model 337, it offers a powerful engine, capable of tackling the toughest jobs with a strong engine and specialized drum. Achieve precise results with Epic Solutions and rear-view cameras. Gomaco Extreme Commander. Imagine a curb former so efficient it's revolutionizing infrastructure construction. This cutting-edge machine combines intelligent hydraulics, precise sensor positioning, and remote diagnostics for unparalleled performance. It effortlessly creates 10-foot-wide bicycle lanes, curved curbs, and intricate landscaping, ensuring precision and accuracy. The user-friendly 6.5-inch anti-glare display provides essential data for flawless execution. With the GRD system, companies can remotely monitor and manage their current fleet. W200 The road milling machine is a powerful tool that is used to remove the top layer of concrete, asphalt, and other pavements. It is often used in unexpected places, such as the Olympic Stadium in Rome, where it was used to reconstruct the track. The road milling machine has a milling width that can be easily changed thanks to interchangeable milling units. This allows it to be used for a variety of applications, from small sidewalks to large highways. The milling depth can reach up to 13 inches, and the speed is up to 3.7 miles per hour. The road milling machine is also equipped with cameras and a mill assist system, which automatically optimizes engine speed, drum speed, and other parameters. This ensures that the machine is operating at peak efficiency and that the results are accurate and consistent. Alcons Full Section Trimmer. Introducing the Alcons machine, a game changer in infrastructure development. This revolutionary marvel is redefining the way we build, offering unmatched speed, efficiency, and versatility. Powered by robust engines, the Alcons machine excels in soil removal and concrete placement, ensuring impressive rates of progress. It confidently handles channels up to 82 feet in width. What sets the Alcons machine apart is its adaptability. It can be conveniently dismantled into sections, making transportation and setup a breeze, even in challenging locations. Gomaco GHP 2800. The airports of tomorrow are taking shape today thanks to Gomaco concrete pavers. These robust machines are the driving force behind runway, taxiway, and airport infrastructure construction worldwide. Available in a range of versions, Gomaco pavers offer paving widths from 12 to 32 feet, catering to diverse airport needs. What sets them apart is their ability to rotate around their axis and incorporate transverse reinforcement directly during the paving process. In 2009, Gomaco concrete pavers played a pivotal role in expanding Charlotte Douglas International Airport, once the 8th busiest in the United States. The project encompassed a new 9,000-foot runway, 2 taxiways totaling 9,300 feet, and various vital infrastructure components. Liboy Paver. With over 5 decades of experience in the paving industry, Liboy is taking a significant step towards a more sustainable future. Collaborating with General Motors, they've introduced a groundbreaking electric prototype paver featuring a 150-kilowatt engine and a 48 kWh battery. Liboy offers a diverse range of pavers, from the compact 5300B with a paving width of approximately 6.5 feet to the formidable 8,608 with a paving width of 15 feet. All Liboy pavers come with a sunlight-visible color screen and a monitoring system that keeps tabs on crucial parameters like pressure and temperature. The electric prototype paver underscores Liboy's dedication to innovation and environmental responsibility, poised to transform the paving industry and lead us toward a greener tomorrow. Guntert and Amp Zimmermann, MP 550. Picture a paver so mighty, efficient, and eco-conscious that it's reshaping construction. This revolutionary paver made its debut at the 2015 World of Concrete Commercial Construction Solutions exhibition, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. This innovative marvel boasts a substantial 141 cubic feet hopper and a 36-foot conveyor that can swivel 170 degrees to effortlessly navigate around obstacles, including walls. Impressive as it is, the paver remains environmentally friendly thanks to its eco mode, capable of reducing fuel consumption by up to 35%. With the hopper edge positioned a mere 23 inches above the ground, unloading becomes more rapid and convenient than ever before. Okay, your drum mix. Turkey leads the global asphalt game with its advanced and highly efficient mobile asphalt plants. These compact powerhouses can be installed practically anywhere, including directly on the highway, and they're capable of churning out a staggering 353 pounds of asphalt per hour. What makes these Turkish mobile asphalt plants truly remarkable is their high level of automation, ensuring unwavering asphalt quality. Automation controls key factors like bitumen quantity, and a wet-type dust collector can be seamlessly integrated to meet rigorous emission standards. This innovation is a driving force behind Turkey's rapid expansion of its highway network. In fact, Turkey now stands among the world's top 20 in terms of the length of its extensive highway network. Wirtgen WR Series. In the initial phases of road construction, ground stabilization machines play a pivotal role. They work to enhance the bearing capacity of subpar soil and rectify deep ruts in aging pavement. Among the stalwarts in this category, the Wirtgen WR200 stands tall. This robust machine can stabilize up to 54 square feet of soil daily. Equipped with a camera system and numerous automated functions, it's remarkably user-friendly. The WR200 operates by pulverizing the soil and blending it with a compactor, with the choice of sealer varying depending on the specific application. For instance, cement can be employed to reduce loosening and enhance frost resistance. Ground stabilization machines like the Wirtgen WR200 are instrumental in creating resilient, long-lasting roads that can withstand heavy traffic and challenging weather conditions. This is particularly crucial in the United States, given our extensive network of roads and highways that demand consistent upkeep. And lastly, we'll show you the performance of the Elgin Sweeper Eagle. It is not just a street sweeper, it's a game changer in street cleaning. This revolutionary machine boasts a patented waterless dust control system, enabling year-round operation even in frigid weather. What sets it apart is its exceptional filtration efficiency, capturing 99% of PM 2.5 particles, making it the cleanest street sweeper in the market. The Industrial Eagle version of the Eagle takes it a step further by handling debris up to 9 inches in diameter. And for hassle-free unloading, the container can be elevated to a height of up to 11 feet.